better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find you all. My love and love is all that shares my heart.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not, hey girl, hey. In today's video, I'll be working with Reshine Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 6x4 pre-cut, pre-plucked lace closure wig unit in 24 inches. It is in water wave and I am living for the pattern. I'm loving this unit, how nice and lightweight but thick it is in density, and I pretty much did this quick and easy glueless install. This wig is 100% glueless. I didn't have to do anything, so I can go ahead and slide the comb across. I could put the comb in there and it's literally glueless. So if you'd like to see how I did this method with no glue, just keep on watching and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy trippin' swag go. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy trippin' swag go. Oh.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. So tonight, I'll do it every way. We just knock until the morning light. 'Cause we like to party. It's driving me crazy. I can't explain the way I feel. Top down with the radio out and the night belongs to us. Just hold me close, don't let me go. So in love, I don't care what they say. I don't care if they talking tomorrow. 'Cause tonight
swag, saucy trippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy trippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy trippin' swag too. Oh.
I was stumbling around the corner, and now I'm feeling like I don't even know ya. I believe in California. Now more than ever, life is all what you make. Had a vision of a perfect night, but every day I had to go through the motions. I wasn't built for a simple life. That's the innocent do. Feeling right, feeling right, feeling right, living life, just a life. Feeling free, feeling free, feeling right. It's alive, feeling right. Nothing to feel, just to see to the ocean. And it will be, we don't even know. Listen out to the doors, so you're better than this.
Closing the curtain on the pool's like this man. Might mess around and get a room with your life. So I'm faded and I flew to Miami. I think I lost my visa. Never been the type that I wanna be right out when I live by the time. Some say I'm psycho, but this shit keep going psycho.
Alright, you guys, so we're in this gorgeous unit from Reshine Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 6x4 water wave unit. It is a lace closure, pre-cut, pre-plucked lace closure unit, and I am literally living for this install. Today I decided on doing no baby hairs. I just, you know, did like a realistic swoop situation going on. Nothing that no beginner couldn't do. All it takes is molding with hairspray and some heat from your blow dryer, and you are literally good to go. And as you can see, I did the typical diffuse detangle method. I used my water with conditioner, and I also used my diffuser piece, which I got from Amazon. A lot of people ask me about that, but so far so good. This unit is thick, okay honey, thick, nice and full, super summer friendly, super vacation friendly. And this is probably like one of those wigs that you could get for everyday wear because it's so thick. You are looking at a longer shelf life for your unit, and this gorgeous unit is from Reshine Hair. And if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.